नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं करिश्मा आप सबका स्वागत करती हूँ आपके YouTube चैनल टेक्नोकैश में। आज की वीडियो में हम लोग देखने वाले हैं ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग कंसेप्ट इज नथिंग बट योर OOPS concept. This concept is very useful in your exam as well as in your interview. So first concept is object. So what is the object? Object is any material thing in real life. It is an instance of class to which memory is allocated. It must follow the following characteristic. First is what? State. State of the object is denoted by the set of properties and their values. It is implemented in a programs in the form of variables. Second is behavior. It is a set of action performed by an object. It can be implemented in the form of methods in the programs. Identity. Identify uniquely identify object and distinguish it from the other object of the same class. Name of an object will be its identifier. So let's see what is the meaning of all these things. For example, orange. This is nothing but your object, as well as pen, TV. Many objects are in your real life. So object is an what? Real thing. It is an entity. So orange state. What is the state of your orange? Spherical in shape, and color is what? Orange. So what is the color of orange? Is orange color. Behavior, juicy and tastes sweet. So this is your what? Behavior, and in your program is implemented in the form of what? Method. Identity what? This is your orange, similar to pen. So what is the color of your pen? As well as blue, black. This is your what? State. Behavior, how to write smoothly, write in your paper. And identity, this is your pen. How to identify? This is your pen. Got it? So next concept is class. Class is a user defined data type. Class is a blueprint object that contains set of variables and methods. User defined is defined by the user. Data type is nothing but your what? Type of data. Which type of data is here we use. So class is a blueprint object that contains set of variables and methods. All the variables and methods including your class. We can create collection of object using class. Let's see the example. Dog. So dog is what? Your class. This is your what? Variables. Breed, size, age and color of dog. What is the size of your dog? What is age? What is color? Black, white. What is the method? Eat. Dog is also eating, sleeping, sit and run. Okay. So this is your example. Breed is what? Maltese. Then what? Neapolitan Mastiff. Size large. Age 5 years. Color black. Similar to this dog also. Got it? The next concept is encapsulation. Encapsulation is a mechanism where the data is nothing but your what? Variables, and the code means methods that act on the data will bind together. So wrapping up of data and function into single unit. For example, encapsulation is nothing but what? Example of car. So method is nothing but model, drive and stop, set the speed. Model, speed, engine, this is nothing but your variables of car. So encapsulation is a mechanism where the data and methods that act on the data will be bind together. Your next concept is encapsulation. Encapsulation is a mechanism where the data is nothing but your what? Variables, and the code means methods that act on data will be bind together. Bind together means एक साथ उसको क्या करना है? हमें बाइंड करना है. रैपिंग अप ऑफ डेटा एंड फंक्शन इनटू सिंगल यूनिट. मतलब जो भी डेटा रहेगा, फंक्शन रहेगा, उसको हमें क्या करना है? सिंगल यूनिट में रैप करना है. फॉर एग्जांपल एनकैप्सुलेशन. एनकैप्सुलेशन में हम लोगों ने कौन सा एग्जांपल लिया है? कार का. सो कार में क्या क्या होता है? कार का मॉडल, उसका स्पीड, इंजन, स्पीड लिमिट, ये सारे कार के अंदर क्या किए हैं? एक साथ बाइंड किए. डिफरेंट से क्या? नहीं. उसके मेथड्स क्या? हाउ टू ड्राइव, स्टॉप, उसका स्पीड सेट किया है. ओके. तो दिस इज योर व्हाट? एनकैप्सुलेशन. ऑल थिंग्स आर बाइंड इन योर व्हाट? कार. सी लेट्स सी द सेकेंड एग्जांपल इज दिस इज योर व्हाट? Capsule. So all the materials are bind in your what? Single capsule. So let's see the second concept is nothing but your what? Abstraction. Abstraction refers to the act of representing essential features without including the background details or explanation. मतलब abstraction में हम लोग क्या शो करते? जितना important part है उतना ही हम लोग क्या करते? शो करते. other things are hide. For example, car. Any car will have some parts like engine, radiator, mechanical and electrical equipment. Okay, and the user of the car should know how to drive the car. Does not require any knowledge of this part. यूज़र को क्या, सिर्फ हमें कार कैसे ड्राइव करनी है यूज़र को उतना ही पता है. उसको वो चाहिए क्या, उसका इंजन कैसा है. ओके, वो देखता है क्या उसका इंजन कैसे है, रेडिएटर कैसा है, बाकी के इक्विपमेंट्स वो चेक करता है क्या, नहीं. He knows how to drive the cars. Okay, he will not care about all the parts of your car. These all the parts are hide from user. So abstractions refer to the what, only essential features without including the background details or explanation. Similar to what, remote का example ले सकते हैं. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, सिर्फ बटन के थ्रू चैनल चेंज करते हैं, बट वो चैनल कैसे चेंज होते हैं, which logic or which electrical parts are used in these remotes, we don't know. We know only click the buttons and change the channel. Similar to TV का भी वैसे ही है. Okay, got it. Next concept is what, your polymorphism. So polymorphism means what, many forms. The word of polymorphism came from what, two Greek words. One is what, your poly means many and morph means form. So polymorphism means what, many forms. Single task can be represented in a different forms. So polymorphism represents the ability to assume several different forms. So let's see the example of your polymorphism. Shape. In your mathematics or in your real life, different shapes are there. For example, area. सो एरिया में कौन कौन सा होता है, एरिया ऑफ सर्कल, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल, एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. मतलब हम लोग क्या करते, एक ही टास्क और एक ही सिंगल टास्क भी रिप्रेजेंटेड इन डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स. मतलब एक ही एरिया है बट वो सर्कल में भी कर सकते हैं, ट्रायंगल में भी दिखा सकते हैं और रेक्टेंगल में भी कर सकते हैं. सो पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म मतलब क्या, मेनी फॉर्म्स. लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट कंसेप्ट इज योर व्हाट, inheritance. Inheritance, it creates the new classes from existing classes so that the new classes acquire all the features of existing classes. It's called what, inheritance. So it creates the new classes from existing classes. So existing classes is nothing but your base class, parent class and super class, and new class is nothing but your what, subclass, child class, and it is also called as what, your derived class. Okay, so let's see the example of your inheritance. Inherit करना, see parent. Okay, mothers and fathers. parents में क्या, mothers and fathers. so जो भी हमारे mothers और fathers के जीन्स है वो किसके अंदर आएंगे, child के अंदर, as well as उसके जो भी new जीन्स रहेंगे is inherited own. so inherited means this is your features, child's and ये child. इस चाइल्ड, ये पेरेंट है हमारे, इसका जो भी चाइल्ड रहेगा, दिस इनहेरिटेड फीचर्स मदर्स एंड फादर्स, एंड इनके जो चाइल्ड्स रहेंगे इट्स इनहेरिटेड द फीचर्स फ्रॉम योर मदर्स एंड फादर्स. सो इनहेरिटेंस मीन्स इनहेरिट द प्रॉपर्टीज फ्रॉम एग्जिस्टिंग क्लासेस इन योर व्हाट, न्यू क्लास, एंड ऑल्सो एडेड द न्यू फीचर्स इन दिस ओन. मतलब जो भी न्यू क्लास है वो खुद के भी फीचर्स ऐड कर सकता है और जो ओल्ड प्रॉपर्टीज है वो भी इनहेरिट कर सकता है फ्रॉम द योर व्हाट, बेस क्लास, सुपर क्लास एंड पेरेंट क्लास से. ओके, एनी डाउट? थैंक यू. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट प्लीज राइट इन योर कमेंट.